Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to use your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 SA remote camera controller. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to swipe up to open the applications on our watch and then scroll down until you will see this camera icon. Click on it and on your phone will also immediately open a camera. Now we wait until the preview will be loaded and we'll be able to make a photo. So the preview is loaded, and now if I will take my phone and point it everywhere, for example on this flower, you'll be able to see it on your watch also. If we will click on this white circle, we will be able to make a photo in 3 seconds. Just like this, and we can also take a look on it in the gallery. Here it is how it looks. But if you don't want to wait these 3 seconds and you're always ready, click on this free icon on the upper part of your screen and the timer will be removed. Now let's take an immediate photo. And here is it. Let's take a look on it. And that's it. Now you know how to use your watch as a camera remote. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.